This is room 1231 at the Marquette Hampton Inn. And right here, just to the left, is the bathroom. There is actually a hallway light here I'll turn on. So this is the bathroom, a large sink area, mirror, nice lighting, the Neutrogena products. They do have a makeup towel, which I think makes so much sense not to use a white towel to take makeup off. The toilet is around here, lots of towels there. It is a stand-up shower, which I know a lot of people like, but I don't. I like a bathtub in a hotel room. They are booked solid here, so I couldn't move. So we have a shower, it's fine. There's also a nice little shelving area behind the door here. There is a full-length mirror at the entryway, and across from the mirror is a closet with a suitcase stand, an ironing board, iron, an extra blanket. And then coming into the main room, we've got a chair with all of our stuff on it, a desk with lots of outlets, coffee service, and light there, and another mirror. Nice chair too. Then we've got a microwave here, TV, and there is a refrigerator inside here. Then we've got our hand wipes. It is a king bed. There's also this ottoman bench thing. On this side of the bed, we've got the alarm clock. There is also 3 outlets here, 1 on the lamp, 2 on the alarm clock, plus some USB outlets there. Then on this side, there's just the 1 plus the phone. Ice buckets under here. My husband actually just took it to fill ice, so it's not in there, but it did come in the room along with a tray and some cups. There is a top sheet here, which I love. And our view is just the downtown area, or like the parking lot here. Nothing too exciting. They're building a building next door. Some of the rooms on the other side do have a beautiful view of the water. And our window does open a little bit so you can get fresh air in the room, and nice blackout curtains. So this is our room here in Marquette at the Hampton Inn. This hotel has an indoor spa and pool. This hotel also has poolside rooms available with a back sliding glass door that leads to the pool area. The hotel gym is quite large, and it has free weights as well as treadmills, ellipticals, and bikes that overlook Lake Superior. So this is leaving outside the pool area, and you have a beautiful view of Lake Superior here. So these are some of the Lakeview rooms. On the first floor, you actually have a patio door and a little outdoor balcony that you can just walk right here to the lake. I think you might be able to swim here. There's a lot of, I don't know, footprints, and there's boats, and there's also a life preserver, so who knows, maybe you can swim here too. And then there's a lot of rooms here on the higher floors that just have a view of the water. This is the kind of relaxation area, and in the morning it's where people eat breakfast, because behind those doors is where breakfast is served, just a continental. But it has a really pretty view, and there's also an outdoor deck that you can sit out on and enjoy the views out there. And there's coffee available all day. There are plenty of ice and pop machines, including a Coke machine, which you don't often find. This hotel does have a laundry room. There's soap available here, and the laundry is $1.50, and there is a washer and a dryer. There's also a little folding table right here.